What's up guys, Chevron here back with a new video. Today I'll be showing you part 5 of my top best Cydia tweaks. So guys, stay tuned. What's up guys, Chevron here back with a new video. What's up guys, Chevron here with a new video. What's up guys, bringing a vlog today. What's up guys, Chevron here back with a new video. Let's get started with the new watch faces. What's up guys, it's your boy Chevron. What's up guys, it's your boy Chevron here back with another video. What's up guys, so Chevron here with a new video. What's up guys, it's your boy Chevron here back with another video. What's up guys, it's your boy Chevron here back with another video. What's going on guys, it's your boy Chevron here back with a new video, and today's gonna be something completely different. What's up YouTube, it's your boy Chevron here back with a brand new video guys, and today it's been a while since I've posted a jailbreak related video. What's up guys, Chevron here back with another video, and today what's going on guys, Chevron here back with a new video, and in today's video what's up guys, Chevron here back with a new video, and as you can see from my previous videos, we've came a long way, and I'm not short of being proud. I'm very proud of the improvement I've made thus far. 2018 is 7 hours away as of now making this video. I just want to say big thanks to everyone who has been rocking with me since 2016 when I just started uploading. I wasn't even uploading tech videos. I was just posting vlogs. In 2017 last year I started to upload serious tech videos, and look at where we're at now. We're at 18,000 subscribers. Unbelievable. I did not in the slightest think I would be at 18,000 this quick. I knew I would reach it, but not this quick. So based on this rapid growth guys, my goals for next year or in a couple hours is to hit 100k by the end of the year of 2018. I know it sounds rough, but if I keep pushing, if I keep getting the latest gadget, the latest tech, and improving my quality, I think I could hit that major milestone. That would be my biggest achievement on YouTube ever, and also to hit that 50k landmark as well. But that 100k is definitely what my eyes are on. Now, as I said before, if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be able to get anything here. So I just wanted to give you guys a big thanks. Shout out to everyone that bought stuff. Shout out to everyone that watches the video, shares the video, likes the video. I know some familiar faces that I see over and over again. I can't really remember now, but I see them in the comments. I just want to say thank you guys. Also, I have a bunch of videos packed up. I've been editing a lot. They're in the queue. They will be ready soon for you guys. And let me know what you'd want to see from me in 2018. I was thinking about doing more branch out videos, or should I just stick to iOS, iPhone? Should I also go back to the Note 8 stuff, to the Android stuff? There's a lot of backlash, but I enjoy it. I still have fun. Also, I'm looking forward to doing Q&As every single month, and also best app videos every single month for next year. That's the New Year's resolution. So if you have questions, please be sure to send them down to Twitter, #ask SHEVI, Instagram, #ask SHEVI, ask Chevy. I'll check the hashtags. Enjoy the Q&As every single month guys. It will be fun. Let me know your thoughts on it, and if you have any ideas what you want to see in 2018, just let me know. It has been a great year and a great journey. We're just looking to progress this year, leave all the negativity behind. And I know it's another day, to be honest, it's just another day. I don't really believe in New Year's resolution too much, because it's basically another day, and you could start to improve, you could start to do good things, you could start to leave negativity behind any time of the year, any time of the day. But to start fresh, knowing it's a new year, it kind of gives you that little motivation to try to fix things and to get things right. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the journey. Shout out to everyone that has been rocking with me since day one. I love you guys so much. And always, guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.